Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with making sure actually that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges during the backup. So we've got the internet connection. Now let's find and open the settings, and here you need to scroll down and find the section Accounts and Backup and tap on it. Then let's localize this Google Drive section and tap on Backup Data and tap on Next. Tap on Add Account. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here you can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, here you can decide what kind of data you'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's up to you. I'll pick only this one, but you can of course mark both and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got the section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can avoid some additional charges. Alright, so to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now here, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.